Okay children, let's go to the next beautiful exercise. Look at the picture carefully children. She's bending, isn't it? She's bend. So the end word is N-D, bend. Not bent or fend or bend. The bend, end. Okay, we want to circle the N-D, bend. Okay, not N-T or not F-T or not N-K. Bend, B E N D, bend. Okay, B E N D, bend. She is bended. Okay, she is bent. Okay, next look at this picture. This is plant. Okay, let's tell the spelling for the plant children. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Not plant or not plant or not a plank. This is a plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Okay, let's go for the next picture children. Listen, this is hand. This is not a 5, this is a hand. Okay, hand, end. Okay, this is ending with nd, isn't it? Not nt or ft or nk. Hand, yes, h, a, hand. Okay children. Okay, let's look at this picture children. What is this? This is, see, look at very carefully. This is not, you can't identify. This is a pond. Yes, a pond. In pond the frogs are enjoying. See the picture carefully. You can find the frog, crocodile and butterflies, isn't it? And colorful flowers. There are a lot of species enjoying in the pond. Okay, this is a pond. Okay, the ending word end or nt or ft or nk. Pond. Okay, nd, isn't it? P-O-N-D, pond. Okay children. Okay, did you understand? Okay, so far we haven't seen about the ending word of nd and nt. For a bend we said ben, bend. For a plant we said plant, plant. For a hand we said hand, hand. For pond we said pond, pond. Okay children, let's go to the next interesting as well as very beautiful exercise. Okay children, let's go for the next exercise. Complete each word with the correct final blend. Okay, we have to look at the picture, and from the picture the first 2 letter word have been given. We have to find the last 2 letter. Okay, for that we have to first look at the picture and find out the word and then find out the spelling. Okay, we can easily find out the spelling because we know the sound of each and every alphabet. So don't worry children. Okay, let's go to the exercise. Look at here children. This is not a star, this is a vant. Okay, a vant. The angels will have in their hand, no, wand. Yes, N-D, wand. Okay, let's go to the next picture children. This is belt. Okay, this is belt. You know, no? Yes, this is a belt. We will used to wear it on our pants. Okay, the first 2 words have been given. B-E-B. Lt. We have to finish with lt. Okay, just find out the words from here. And no. This is lt, correct. Let's see the others also. Amp, no. Pit, bimpt, no. Fit, no. Peft, no. Bent, it's not a bent, it's a bell. Lt. We are having the L sound. Belt. Okay, let's look at this picture children. This is What is this? This is lamp, lamp, lamp. Okay, you are hearing a mp. La, the la has been given. The ending two words mp, mp. Okay, let's listen. Nd, no. It, no. Mp, yes, this is the correct. Let's see the next three also. Pupt, no. Fifth, no. End, no. Lamp, lamp. Okay, just write it here. M, P, lamp. Okay, next go to the next picture. Just look at this picture carefully, children. Listen it carefully, children. This is gift, gift. From the gift word, they have been given the first two letters, isn't it? G, I, G. We want to finish it with ft, fifth, fifth. Okay, just find out the words from this option. This is the end. Gind, no. It, no. Imp, no. Pipped, no. Fifth, this is a gift. Yes, this is a correct. Let's see the one more. Gint, no, it's not a gint. It's a gift. Yes, you're hearing a F sound, isn't it? Shall I write it here? Yes, F, T, gift. Okay, let's go for the next picture. This is tent, tent. Yes, this is a tent. From the tent, they have been given the two letters, isn't it? T-E, tent. We have to finish it with the ent, ent. Okay, you're hearing a N sound as well as you're hearing a ent. You're hearing a T sound. Okay, let's look for an answer. This is a end, not a tent. It is a it, it's not an answer. Imp, it's not an answer. Pupped, it's not an answer. Fifth, it's also not an answer. Let's see the last one. N-T. Tent, tent. Yes, you're hearing a N sound as well as you're hearing a T sound. Tent. Okay, children. Okay, let's go for a next picture. This is we already seen about this. What is this? Yes, this is a plant, plant. Yes, this is a plant. Okay, in the plant they have given a three letter P, L, A, pla. They given ent. We have to write the ent. We already write the ent for tent, the same spelling. Okay, we don't need to find it because we already know. No, ent, gent. Okay, just see, he's a wepping, wept. He's a wept, isn't it? Okay, W, E has been given. We want to write PT, pet, wept. You're hearing a P sound, isn't it? P, p, pet. Okay, let's look for an answer from this option. Ent, no. It, no. Imp, no. Pet, it's correct. But let's see the next two options also. Weft, no. Went, not went, it's not a correct answer. Wept, pt. Wept. Okay, let's look for letters. W-A-N-D, want. B-E-L-T, belt. L-A-M-P, lamp. G-I-F-T, gift. T-E-N-T, tent. P-L-A-N-T, plant. W-E-P-T, wept. Okay, let's go to the next exercise quickly.